Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you were all fun and enjoying your life well. So in today's video, I'm going to share the ideas of crochet gloves with you. We have cable gloves, an intricate yet rewarding design. If you love the classic look of cable in knitting, you can replicate the same texture with crochet. These gloves offer a sophisticated texture look that's perfect for anyone wanting to add a little luxury to your winter wardrobe. Use a solid color to really let the cable stand out, and don't be afraid to experiment with different cable pattern. Sometimes all you need is a bit of extra warmth around your wrist, and that's where wrist warmer come in. These are essentially short gloves that only cover your wrist and lower hand. Super quick to make and perfect for layering with other accessories. You can keep it simple with basic stitches or add a bit of personality with decorative button, beads, or even lace edging. If you like the feel of glove but still need the flexibility of finger movement, half finger gloves are the way to go. These gloves leave your fingertip exposed while keeping the rest of your hand nice and warm. Great for outdoor activity like cycling or photography. Use lightweight yarn for more dexterity or a thicker yarn for add warmth. Want to add a little extra pizzazz to your gloves? Try embellishing them. You can sew on crochet flower, beads, or even small charm for a custom look. For a whimsical touch, consider adding pom-pom or fring along the cuff. These embellished gloves make for a fantastic gift, or they can be super fun project to show off your artistic side. Gradient ombre gloves are a beautiful and on-trend option. You can create this effect using gradient yarn or by carefully blending different shades of yarn as you crochet. The gradual color transition make this glove visually striking, and you can match them with scarves or hat for a coordinated look. It's an easy way to make a simple pattern look high fashion.